He fought very quick to score. He's probably gonna do it again right here. That straight kickoff. He's got it nailed down. Terror says he's going for the 10 goal mercy rule right here. Yeah, 3 goals in 30 seconds. It's pretty good. A little background on Always Towards Ball Agent is that it's the original agent I made when I made the framework, and I decided to just make it drive towards the ball, never use boost or power slide or anything. And everyone has access to this code, so they can use it as a template to start out with. And Always Towards Ball Agent scores. These straight kickoffs though, it's gonna lose every time. Geek man, that's actually not true because the rookie bot can lose to itself if you're not playing the game. I know that from messing around. Yeah, it's the hello world of Rocket League bots, that's right. Yeah, maybe we can show these bots against Psionics bots after this is over. That's not too hard to do. The forfeit is if you're winning by 10, so the Leaf bot needs to score a couple. And the way we get input from the game is there's a injected DLL, which basically every game tick it reads all the values that the game engine uses and writes them to named shared memory. And this is another process running these bots which reads from the memory. Alright, that's it. That's a forfeit right there. 12-2. Except I want to save the replay for this game, so I'm actually gonna let this go to the end. Alright, so we exceeded the mercy rule, but I wanted to save the replay for that game. That annihilation, I guess. Alright, teams are switched now. This is the best of 2 series, or best of 3 series, so RLBot has to win one more game. Yeah, we wanted to do chat, but you just can't do it in the Extenders division. Yeah, I didn't change any settings for Nightbot, so if it kicks you, I didn't even know it does that. Over 100 viewers, which is a lot more than I expected. Yeah, we can try to make the stream better tomorrow based on what's bad about it today. I agree, a caster would be nice. If anyone lives in the Seattle area and wants to come over to my apartment, that would be nice. If we did it through Discord, there would be like a 10-second delay. It wouldn't work. Because the Twitch stream is probably like 10 seconds behind. Okay, yeah, I'll try not to get murdered. Framework is specifically made not to work online right now. We'll get someone to cast for the real matches tomorrow, because I definitely can't do it myself. It's a skill that I don't have. Try to cast a little bit. We'll see what happens. So we have CC Bot scoring the first demo in the tournament. And CC Bot was created by the guy who made the DLL for me. And we're actually wearing the German flag on the orange car in respect to him. I'll turn camera shake off tomorrow, but I can't do it tonight. This is going to be a 2-day stream. Ooh, CC Bot scored a pretty great goal right there. We have Relief Bot taking it to the side wall, or always towards Ball Agent taking it to the side wall. CC Man is able to stop and control it. CC Bot trying to get an angle is unable to get there in time. Always toward Ball Agent has a straight shot at the goal. He could put it in right here. And he does. Is that enough charisma for all you? So even though I made the always towards Ball Agent, I would love to see it get beat every single game. really you should beat it because it is just the template. Just make something a little better. The CC bot's got a good angle here. Always towards ball agents trying to help him out. Centered right here, and CC bot puts it in. Let's see how CC bot does on the straight kickoff. Oh, a little deviation to the side. Nice wall. Dribble on the wall right there. Always towards ball, he's just gonna take it wide. That's just real good defense right there. Always towards ball agent, could put another one in. If it knew to slow down for the ball falling down. It's actually pretty hard, not too many bots do that. Oh, this could be an own goal. Oh. A lot of these bots are on the same skill level as CC bot, so I wonder how many of these games are up to chance. CC bot is lining it up. Oh, too high. It had the jump thrust, the flick into it. Centering the ball right here. Should be able to tap that in if always towards ball agent goes over it, which it does. There we go. Yeah, what a save. That's one of my chat commands. It's what a save if you do exclamation point NB. Alright, game 2. Again, this is best of 3, so CC bot needs to win again. CC bot immediately wins the kickoff. That's a good start. Well, the problem video gamer is I need to turn off camera shake for player 2, and player 2 is a virtual controller which I don't have access to. I'm also trying to manage too many things at once, which makes it hard for me to personally cast. Always towards ball agent, taking it up the sidewall. CC bot is going to try to scop it right here. Always towards ball agent has a shot on goal, and he's going to tie it up. Yeah, Twitch makes people use ads because I don't have any ads on this. I think it's just an ad at the start. Like there shouldn't be any more ads. Now the only neural net bot is does Watt compute. Always toward ball agent just scored a own goal. CC Man lives in Germany, and I don't even think he's awake for this stream. I don't think he's here right now. Always towards ball agent really wants the goal, it just doesn't know which one to shoot at. Bot is able to slow down for the ball falling down, which is pretty hard to program in. Not every bot does that. Always towards ball agent is going to center it right here. Might be able to poke this in. Yes, it does. Yeah, this is the very first tournament, and people had to make bots in, I think it was like a little over a month, and also the framework kind of changed a little bit while we were doing it to make it better. So I think it can go pretty far from here. Good Tear Heart, how do you feel about facing CC Man next? You think he's got any chance against you? Yeah, so Noodle Guitar trained his bot on like a static ball shooting task, so it doesn't really generalize to the whole game of 1v1 Rocket League very well. This should be an easy win for FishoBot. And we might even, this might even just be a best of one. Yeah, it's real good at donuts. So you see some signs of intelligence because it always drives straight, which is basically a good thing because when you're playing Rocket League, you almost always drive straight. And it knows to boost sometimes. Yeah, I think, yeah, training a bot against itself is a good strategy. That's what they do, like self-play, they do that for the Dota bots. There's also self-training for Super Smash Brothers, the Super Smash Brothers bot that beat pros. Yeah, it hasn't seen a lot of the inputs before, so it doesn't know what to do. FishoBot has a straight kickoff here. That's gonna win every time. Dishonoring your child. Did you train it for kickoffs at all, Noodle Guitar? I think you did. The framework's in Python. And another thing is Noodle Guitar only trained it on one color. He didn't train it on both colors. I think we'll hit the mercy rule here. And if that happens, I guess I just won't save the replay. Mercy rule should probably be lower. It should be like 7. Oh, look at that. Falls from the sky right on the ball. I hope the overlay display is pretty self-explanatory. Basically, it's like an Xbox controller, and the green bar is the throttle, except everyone like full throttles all the time, so it looks like it's always filled. And the square region is the left thumbstick area if you're on the Xbox controller. RLBot scores again. I think Fisher Kid said he was not going to be able to watch tonight, but he would be able to watch it tomorrow. I might just be misremembering that. Alright, this is gonna be game right here. Straight kickoff. Alright, unfortunately, this is just gonna be a best of one because it's a little too much to have to watch this again. Alright, this is our first match between two player-created bots. We have Tutorial Bot by Redox and Drunk Kludge Bot by Sil. Yeah, there you go, Redox, you're in the stream. This should be a good game. I don't know who will win this one. I'm sorry, Redox. Nice shot by Blue. Nice shot by Tutorial Bot to tie it up. I just updated the bracket. It's up to date now. I think these kickoffs are very even. Basically do the exact same thing. So this tutorial bot you see here is written as a actual tutorial on the Rocket League bots subreddit. Well, let me just point out how Drunk Kludge Bot played defense on the opposing team's goal. The funny thing is, KludgeBot, he programmed it only for one side, and he basically, for the other team color, he just put a negative sign in front of everything. So it could be possibly confused some places. Yeah, basically, you can write a symmetrical bot, and you should. Your bot should be symmetrical like that. Scores again. KludgeBot came here to play. So this looks like it's going in right here. Oh, maybe not. And there's it right in front of the goal, but it's gonna be unable to get that unless Redox helps him out. Oh, Redox with the demo. Hopefully he can score off of it. Lines it up. That's pretty good. Yeah, I think this is going to be the best game in the first round. A lot of people are facing the always towards ball agents that are padded out to make it a best of 16. Oh, that's a good question. So each bot runs in its own process, so it can take up as much time as it wants, so it doesn't hurt the other bot to take up processing time. I don't know if Redox has the time to come back right here. Definitely gonna try. Center the ball right here. Should be able to tap it in. Oh, that was the off the line save. KludgeBot is gonna tap this in. And that's game. I'm sorry. That's game. It is a best of 3 though, so we can see what happens in the next one. Alright, game 2. Can Redox bot make a comeback? Can Redox / block / or underscore tutorial bot make the comeback? Able to play defense there, not hit it in its own goal. That's strong KludgeBot. Oh, this is a breakaway, except towards its own goal. Hopefully it can play defense here. the boolean in the B-bot is if the player is a bot or not. So you could like play one of these games against a bot, like one of the in-game bots. Alright, Tutorial Bot takes the lead, looking for the comeback. Yeah, I'm saving the replays. I've been doing it on stream too, I think. I'm trying to get them all. These bots don't seem to want to score on the right goals sometimes. Redox bot scores again on a slow roller. Yeah, the boost in the actual game engine is a float, but we converted it to an int. Game looks like it's gonna go to a game 3. Trunk Kludge bot dribbling it downfield now. Looks like it's lining up, but it doesn't know about the wall too much. Oh, miss. Yeah, all the bots are deterministic, but there's still little differences in CPU cycles and stuff that throw it off a little bit. This ball is hanging on the line. Unable to put that in. Yeah, that's a heartbreaker. Up in the air, Kludge. Can you do it? No. There's no prize money in this. I guess that did kind of change the outcome here. hoping KLudge ties it up. We'll feel like it's a little more even. Alright, there we go. Fresh start, right here. This is what it was always going to be. Ooh, another one. A nice flip as well, which you're not going to be able to see because when they jump in the replay, they also press A in real life, so it skips the replay. Redox ties it up. Hopefully this game goes to overtime. I would love to see that. Got a demo to start. Redox whiffs. KLudge is going to dribble it up the wall, center the ball. Ooh, almost an own goal there. Oh, own goal. Redox goes ahead. Alright, what are people's predictions? Who thinks tutorial bot? Who thinks KLudge bot? Okay, Kludge was trying to play defense there. Yeah, the bots can see the scoreboard even though it's probably not useful. I don't know if anyone uses it. Tutorial bot puts another one in. So when two always toward ball agents match up, we just skip the match. That's been in the rules since the very beginning. All the inputs everyone has is just raw values like position, velocity, roll, pitch, yaw. So people basically have to do all the calculations that like probably a game engine already has done. RLBot, where are you going? Oh, a juke right there. This is in. Ties it up with a little over 30 seconds left. Yeah, the jukes. Who would have thought he went straight? Oh, a shot at the very end. Junk Kludge bot. Tutorial bias to tie it up real quick. Alright, we are back to the world of Always Towards Ball Agents here. We've got RLBot versus Always Towards Ball Agent. RLBot is clearly orange. Yeah, could be painful. That's why we have this mercy rule now. It's really only the straight kickoffs though. Alright, let's see what you can do Always Towards Ball Agent. So he gets blown up right there. So RLBot has to play defense here. Off the wall. Should be able to grab this one. Always Towards Ball Agent tries to bump him off, but ends up going right towards its own goal, and that's going to be an own goal right there. I think an all-star bot would destroy these bots. I don't know, I don't think Terrahart has done testing against an all-star bot lately. RLBot with a nice angle. Yeah, how did it do, Goose? Not much time and we're already at 5 goals. This could be a mercy rule. Goes towards ball agent, takes it wide of the goal, of its own goal. So start a dribble downfield right now. Tries to juke RLBot right there. Centers the ball. Unfortunately touches it. Knocks it a little bit away. Looks like RLBot is pretty defensive minded. Likes to hang out in the back. Oh, a backflip. I don't think I've seen that. I'll try to turn off the Nightbot turning off caps. I don't know if any of the mods are able to do that, or if only I can do it. Now, the rules are playing Octane, so people can't customize their cars. It'd be cool if they could, but we don't really have that option. It would be a pain to set up. The bracket has been padded out to 16 with 6 always towards ball agents. That's true needle guitar. The only one who has aerialed off the ceiling and landed on the ball. It came close. In my promo video I have Does What Compute falling off the ceiling and nearly landing on the ball. Dodges the ball on the first one. What's it doing, Goose? What's with the fake? It's got something planned, maybe. It scores right there, though. That's good. Oh yes, it is timid. We'll just go out of order, because that's the next match anyway. So yeah, we're doing 7 right now instead of 6. No, Muffin Man's too honorable. like Goose has a shot set up, but always towards ball agent bumps him off of it. And going up at this angle, could roll down and yep, Goose takes it. Could have scored there, but dribbles it to the side. Goose sets up, goes for the long shot, has another chance maybe. No. It's gonna rather would center it and go for another shot. I guess I should be saying Muffin Man. Always towards ball agent. Almost with a goal. If you lose always towards ball agent, that's pretty bad. I guess if always towards ball agent wins the first game, we'll do a best of 3. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Yeah, the bots know the height of the ball. The bots know the height and velocity of the ball, and I don't know if they have any. They might know angular acceleration on the ball too, if that matters. Nice score by Goose on the straight kickoff. Close to straight kickoff. Doesn't get it though. That little bend to the middle at the beginning slows it down enough. Oh, always towards ball agent has a shot. Muffin Man takes the long distance shot. Muffin Man has another long distance shot. Misses it. Ooh, and the demo to add on. Devastating the opponent right there. I don't know how that demo really made sense. It looked like he got bumped and then... I don't know if I should have demoed him. It's pretty far away. Straight kickoff. Yeah, let me... I don't even know how to edit Nightbot, but let me fix that. For the people who said they want to cast tomorrow, just get in touch with me on the Discord. Alright, we're back to game 6. This is Goose's other bot. Timid POS. Doesn't get the kickoff in. A little too high. Oh, always towards ball agent is gonna take the lead right here. Doubles would be pretty hard, considering this is the level we're at for 1v1. Although it would be interesting, but it's a lot more stuff to handle. So are you worried at all? Think you can lose to always towards ball agent? Well, that's honest. Basically every improvement that people have been telling me to do, just yell at me in the Discord for. Like turning shake off, having casters tomorrow. Just remind me. Timid POS. I think I know what POS stands for. AIs are being... Well, the TensorFlow bot is using my GPU, I think. But I think everything else should be CPU. Imagine losing. Goose can imagine losing. 50 seconds left and he's still losing. And we're still gonna do a best of 3 because it should save time, because if Goose can come back and win 2, then we can skip a game in the lower bracket. And this looks like it's gonna go to overtime. No thanks to Timid POS. Always Towards Ball Agent does it to itself. Oh, overtime. That could have been dangerous. I could have bounced all the way back in. Oh. Saving it the whole time. It had it in it the whole time and it was just pretending. Alright, Redox bot versus Always Towards Ball Agent. And that's pretty sad, Redox. For some reason your blue bot doesn't boost off the start, but I know your orange one does. Redox bot, what are you doing? Stop. I always heard Ball Agent is going to center it. Sometimes they can loop around and poke those in. Yeah, Redox, I don't know what your bot is doing. It clearly hasn't crashed because it still starts playing sometimes, but it definitely looks like a broken bot at some parts. Always Towards Ball Agent is about to put another one in. Wow. 2-0 up. Don't let it happen to you, Redox. Don't let it happen. It's gonna be 3-0. It's gonna happen. It's still gonna be best of 3, but maybe it'll play a little bit better on orange, but we would still have to come back to these colors for game 3. The way these bots are playing is virtual controllers. They're both VJoy controllers, if you look up VJoy. This is gonna be like a reverse mercy rule right here. This is your baseline to beat right here. This code has been available from the beginning. This is hard to watch. I didn't expect this to happen. It kind of looks like that. I took whatever latest version you gave me. You know, to just throw a game like this, it's a bad role model, and it has no place in this Rocket League bot competition. Oh. So the bots don't have their code released because, I mean, they can release them if they want, but a lot of people weren't releasing their code because of the competition. Man, just padding always towards ball agent stats right here. Fourth thing out of its misery. No, unfortunately you have to watch. And you know what? You're gonna have to watch another game too. This is the best of 3. We have to make an example out of you. Another one. 9-0. This is bad. Yes, it is. The reason it wiggles is it only presses like full left or full right, so it just overcompensates a lot when it's trying to get to the ball. Alright, let's see how Redox does on orange. Maybe it has a better chance. It already looks a lot smoother. No, it still looks pretty dumb. It looks really dumb. Still not moving. And now it moves. Redox, you definitely screwed something up. Because I don't remember it being this bad. Oh, that looks like a goal. Right there. It's gonna roll slowly in. And I'm cheering for always towards ball agent now. I didn't expect to get past the first round with my bot, but it's got a real fighting chance now. Gonna put another one in right here. Unless there's a miracle save. Which there is not. Right now my framework is limited to the number of controllers you can have locally, which I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure if there's like 4 player split screen. I haven't tried it. Ideally we can change that and then it would have as many people as possible. For locally. So 2v2s are possible in the framework right now if you change the code a little bit. Yeah, Redox was able to score. It's got a straight kickoff right here. Can't do anything about it. Redox ties the game, unfortunately. Yeah, rooting against your own bot. Straight kickoff, it should be able to nail that. Or yeah, bar down. It's a good goal. Redox is coming back. The deterministic bot, though, has no concept of starting to play better. Unless it does. I haven't looked at the code, to be honest. Unless it changes based on goals or time left or something. Yeah, camera shake will be off tomorrow, but not today. I didn't realize so many people hated it. I've never really noticed it. It looks like Redox could win this game and send it to a best of 3. Oh, always towards ball agent. Going. Oh, there's defense. It knows how to play defense. A little bit. Not too much. Come on, always towards ball agent. We don't want to have to change colors. No, no, no. Don't do that. Alright, game 3, which is normally a hyped thing, but not right now. I think always towards ball agent is going to do the exact same thing it did last time when it was on orange. I'm going to arbitrarily say a 5-goal difference will be the mercy rule for this game. Redox has been saying for a while that his tutorial bot is better. I'll give him credit for that. Alright, we've got another goal right here. Another thing I will say is for repeats of always towards ball agent matches, like either if they already won or already lost to them, we'll just take the result from before. That way when Redox loses this match, he really loses. I'm trying to move past the bad games and get to some good matches. I want to see RLBot again. I don't know if we'll get him in tonight. I probably will actually. I don't know. RLBot or Riot. Almost scores an own goal. So this isn't as bad as the first game. That should have been an easy tap-in for Redox. Just dribbling right over the goal. Is this a bronze 1 game? This is worse. This is worse than handing someone a controller for the first time. Oh, that's somewhat promising. And always towards ball agent is better than some people. I think total time to make always towards ball agent for me was like 15 minutes to figure out the math with the rotation values. He's putting it away. Always towards ball agent is gonna take this. Toying around. Alright, here we go. Redox's bots were both sent to the losers bracket. One of them losing to the always towards ball agent. Yeah, so to explain BlueBot, so Needle Guitar made this, and it's a neural network basically that it was trained on a static shooting task, basically shooting a static ball into the goal. So now it's trying to generalize to the whole game of Rocket League 1v1, and it's not doing very well. Which is why this is just going to be a best of one. It's really just not enough time to train it. Because I think there is potential to do better. If BlueBot wins by some fluke, which could be possible with Redox's bots, we'll have to go to another best of one against someone. Alright, tutorial bot, that looks pretty good. What a rip. Now, I'll change Nightbot after this. I guess I have a whole list of things to do now. I'll change Nightbot to allow caps, because I have no problem with caps. Tutorial bot, just put it in the goal. It's right there. Just watching my 2-year-old play. Yeah, we gotta trim down these bad matches. I already updated the bracket to cut out a lot of the repetitive matches so we don't have to see them again. Yeah, that's true. We're basically setting up, or that's true to a lot of people are missing the good matches. Like, really bot dominated in the first match. It's going to get good though, because a lot of people are going to be fighting for their lives. Always Towards Ball Agent is basically eliminated. Another ceiling shot at him. Okay, relief bot in blue, CC bot in orange. Let's go. Relief bot going for that aerial. He can do it. He's got it in him. Oh, relief bot. If he— oh my gosh. I can't believe he predicted that. I didn't know he could do that. Terra, are you in here? Oh baby. Oh baby is right. Oh, CC bot. Always towards ball agent is almost more of a harassment than the other bots. Oh, and that's right off the spawn. The mercy rule is 10. By more than 10. Demo bot. Oh, that's one of the 50% of demos it does not get, or aerials it does not get. CC bot has a shot here. Relief bot is not able to make the save. CC bot actually scores the goal. And you know what? There's nothing wrong with scoring a goal on always towards ball agent. If that's the minimum you can do. It's a badge of honor. Oh, CC bot tuck it away. CC bot gets another. Oh, the aerial pops it up. That could bounce. Oh, CC bot takes that nicely. CC bot playing a little defensively. Might get there first. Oh, that's a good defensive play right there to clear that. Leafbot tucks it away. See, this is the game that can actually be commentated because there's some pace to it. Leafbot scores again off the tap. It's too much. There's no way the blue one is a bot. I am not touching my keyboard. And it's pretty consistent. It does the same patterns. RLBot does some simulations of what it thinks is going to happen in the future, and it uses that to make decisions. It is pretty aggressive though. think when it misses a shot, it gives CCBot a chance to come back. And CCBot might be able to clear the line. Oh, he's unable to. Gets the aerial. And it's, oh, so close to tapping that in. That could have been good. Bumps CCBot off the ball. Doing a little dribble there. Oh, upper 90 right there. The good thing about RLBot being open sourced is everyone can start with that as a template and improve it. So a second competition could be a lot better. He already open sourced it. He said that in chat earlier. I think it might be on his GitHub. Okay, I kind of forgot about the mercy rule, but let's just watch the whole game because I want to save the replay. Still got over a minute left. I don't think I can save the replay unless I go to the end. Plus this is the most exciting action we have, so we might as well keep watching it. I think CC Man is asleep right now and he's gonna wake up and see this. One v one relief. I could. I'd have to plug in my controller because I don't think I could beat it with a keyboard. Not used to a keyboard. Yeah, Terhart said he had a lot of fun with making this, and I think we can believe him. I think these goals should count for his Anython too for the disaster relief. Here we go, game 2. A goal right away. A goal by RLBot right away. Putting down CCBot's hopes right away. Yeah, CC won one game. And it can make a loser's bracket run. Really thought pokes it in for number 2. We can't use quick chats. Everyone would want to use quick chats, and I would let people use quick chats, except it's exhibition, so they're not available. Man. It's so smooth too, it looks human-like when it plays. And that's kind of creepy. Come on, CC-bot, put one in. Oh no. Poor defense. CC-bot is gonna take it off and has a shot on goal. Let's see if Terhard can stop it. Oh, CC-bot scores. I'll give credit to CC Man, who basically made this bot, I think like 3 days before the competition or something. 3 days before the deadline. Terhard's GitHub is Terhard, I'm pretty sure. Five to 1. Halfway through the game. Almost halfway through the game. Oh, he's Bitbucket. No, CC-bot, what are you doing? It's not any less embarrassing if you score on yourself. That's the I could win if I was actually trying strategy. Scoring on your own goal. No, CC-bot. Clear your line. Wait RLBot comes for the tight angle shot. Pokes it over. Off the rebound. RLBot seems a little confused what to do right there. Indecisive. This game isn't as bad. 7-1. Own goal. CC-bot centered it, and RLBot tapped it in. Alright, here's another spawn. Off the wall. Be cool if RLBot could aerial that one off that corner wall. Just playing around with CC-bot though. Bot in orange. Sorry, I just turned my mic on in the middle of that. Bot in blue, drunk Kludge bot in orange. RLBot has a nice center right here. And goes surprisingly for an aerial. It would be nice if Fisher Kid worked on it more, because that was looking pretty good. Oh, drunk Kludge bot has a breakaway right here. I don't think Fisher Kid can stop this. Drunk Kludge bot puts the first points on the board. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I was editing the bracket. Fisher Kid is now 2 goals up. Or FisherBot. I keep saying his username. FisherBot has to play defense here. And is unable to. This is going to be a good game. 2-2. Not too much time has passed. The winner of this game gets the honor of playing RLBot. I could easily see the loser of this making a loser's bracket run. Fisher Kid just has to tap that in. There it is. 3-2 up. Yeah, the bots are purposely made to work offline because you could see how someone would abuse these bots for farming crates. If you're smart enough to figure out how to farm crates on your own, you can do it, but we don't want to encourage it with this framework. This is either going to be the last or second to last matchup of the night, I think. And we'll have some good games tomorrow. I don't actually know why people farm crates. I think they just farm item drops, actually. Yeah, that's a good question. Who's selling their crates? It seems so easy to get crates. Ties it up 3-3. I'll try to start casting now. Drunk KludgeBot is waiting for the ball to settle. Fisher Kid takes it while he's waiting. Fisher Kid is going to center it off that side wall. Drunk Kludge is able to clear, knocks it over FisherBot's head. FisherBot has to be careful here. Almost gave Drunk KludgeBot a chance. Drunk KludgeBot is going to try to wrap this around. Maybe take it towards its own goal. Oh no. Oh, okay. A save right there. Wasn't expecting that. That was definitely looking bad. Ooh, and with 6 seconds left, FisherBot scores. And that's gotta be heartbreaking for Drunk KludgeBot. This time we'll have Fisher in orange, Drunk KludgeBot in blue. FisherBot took the first game, so he could end the series right here. Both of these bots are Python bots. The only Java bot in the competition is Terhart's bot. Although there was some people, other people making Java bots, but they kinda didn't finish them in time. FisherBot takes the first goal, looking to put an end to the series. So this is the second to last game of the night. We're gonna do RLBot versus Timid POS next, and that'll be the last one of the night. And that'll be a good stopping point. Yeah, the reason you can't reduce the quality is I think it's a factor of how many viewers I have and the fact that I haven't streamed before, that I haven't earned it. I didn't realize that was a setting. And being partnered isn't the same thing as Twitch Prime, I don't think. I should know this better. KludgeBot can put it in right here. Put its own goal, but it narrowly misses. RLBot flirting with the goal. RLBot nicely puts it forward, but is unable to finish right there. Puts it wide. I think FisherKid would be surprised at how well his bot's doing. Tim MPOS about to lose his ankles. FisherKid gets the honor of playing RLBot next. I'll try to let people post links too. I'll let people use caps and links, because no one's abusing links, I don't think. Another goal for RLBot. This looks like a series win right here. This looks like it's gonna fall in. Fisher decides to jump under it because he knows it's already going in. You have to be both good at programming and then also good at math to do this, because we don't really give you high level stuff. You get like raw position values, raw velocity values, raw roll pitch yaw, and you have to do all that processing. Although with Terhar open sourcing his bot, I would take a look at that. A lot of those equations and basic things should be handled. RLBot centers, but it's not going to be able to get there. Alright, here we go. RLBot is in blue, I believe, and Timid POS is in orange. Yes, that is correct. This is the last winners bracket match, so whoever loses this is not out yet. They're just going to the losers bracket. And whoever is the winner of this is facing Muffin Man next. Oh no, RLBot puts it in its own goal. Timid POS has a chance of moving on. RLBot has to play some defense. Puts it against that back wall. Timid tries to center it a little bit. Oh, it drops down nicely. Timid is too timid to go for it. Maybe not. Timid puts it in. That's 2-0 up. Go Timid. Could be two of Goose's bots against each other. Timid versus Muffin Man next. I was expecting RLBot to win this one, but maybe not. Yeah, POS means piece of shit. We'll say it. That's what Redox should have given the name for his Redox bot, though. Goose says he doesn't know. He's not aware of the Z-axis. Neither is always towards ball agent. Always towards ball agent completely operates in a 2D world. Timid POS puts it in. It doesn't need the Z-axis. Oh, off the spawn. See if he can tap it in. Timid. Timid, no. Don't let it bounce all the way back in. Oh no. All the way back in. All the way. I warned Goose about that. How it can't seem to figure out how to play defense. Could happen again. Right here, it's gonna swing out too wide and go into the net. This is how RLBot is coming back. What a comeback, yeah. It's sad to see it fail the exact same way twice in a row. Well, the bots are doing synchronized driving right there. RLBot gotta clear the line. RLBot can actually play defense, so I think it could clear it. Oh, but Timid POS swoops in and gets it. This is game one. So Timid POS is gonna have to win another one after this, assuming time expires. Yeah, the mini map is part of the framework, so it's fed values from the game, and then I had to draw it. Shout out to Hexacube for doing some of the graphics on it. RLBot scores, but it's too little too late. Time's about to expire. Unless it can juggle, which it cannot. Alright, game two. Possibly the final game of the night if Timid POS wins again. RLBot is gonna look to come back, force it to a game three. RLBot is in orange this time, Timid POS in blue. RLBot is doing a dangerous move of centering it. Timid POS might be able to put that in. Well, now Timid POS has to be on the defensive. Whiffs that one. And, oh, he got angry that he whiffed. Just trying to say, I could have hit that if I wanted. I didn't even want to hit that. RLBot goes up 1-0 on that shot. We got a side dodge there, Timid POS. Stop it, Timid POS. You gotta stop it. Oh, RLBot touches it to the side. It'll be interesting to see who gets second place. A lot of people are pretty close. Timid POS is waiting in its goal, playing a little defense. RLBot retrieves boost at its own end. Neither really wants to touch it. RLBot decides to make a run. Now that could launch Timid POS right here for a breakaway. But it's timid and decides to stay back. Timid could have a tap in. SavesBot doesn't let him have it. SavesBot puts it in. And we've had 2 own goals. Now the own goals aren't recorded on the display because we're using the game engine, what it records own goals as. And basically for that situation to occur, you would have to score an own goal without the other bot touching it at all. Timid POS puts it in gently, up 2-1. Oh, this could be bad for Timid POS. That's a dangerous ball bouncing right there. I don't think it's going to be able to stop it. Yep, SavesBot ties it, 2-2. Neither bot was kind enough to skip the replay there. Oh, bar down. Bar down by Timid POS. What a nice shot. SavesBot's able to get that ball over. I could center nicely, but SavesBot is not interested in playing offense. It's kind of a flaw of it. If you look at both RLBot and philosophies, they're both pretty aggressive. They don't really do that much defense. Although RLBot gets back on defense very quickly. That ball's right in front of the goal. Should have that. Nice little tap in. I'm not sure either of these bots are aware of the other bot's existence. Goose, is your bot aware of the other bot existing? Oh, it is. That's good. What a lob goal right there. What a lob goal. And look at SavesBot in my replay. You can see him like almost saving it. Alright, if the clock runs out, Timid POS moves on. SavesBot can end this. Oh, that's close. Right on the line. Hopefully Timid POS can get a long shot right there. SaveSpot swoops it into its own net. It's gotta be aggressive now. And that's game.